Hello everyone, Akash here. I'm gonna review right now this video about FOLIGROWTH. It's a natural hair supplement and a biotin hair supplement. I did review those two in separate solo videos, but I'm getting so much question which one you should use. Should you use biotin or should you use Foli hair growth? Both great product, but I'm gonna go in detail right now that what your hair situation is and which one is really gonna help you right now. So more than 2 years I'm using it. The first thing you have to look at it, price different. You have to look at it. If your hair situation not that bad, of course you have to consider the price different. This one man and women both could use. This also man and women both could use, but this one is 4 times the money. It's gonna costly than this. So definitely I would recommend this one first. And biotin is always been in the market for a long time, and biotin clinically proved. If you check out some article, if you Google it, you will see it. Many study done about biotin. It's really good for hair, nail, skin, and this one is hair, nail, skin. All three works. It's a vitamin supplement. 120 in there is less than $10. Again, you could find widely available any store if you go in North America. And Nature Bounty Made is a very well-known company, been in business over 50 years. So the pills, 120 pills. It's a pretty small. This is how it's gonna look like, and you just take one a day. Anytime you want to take it after a meal, you could take it, and this definitely help you improve your hair from inside out and your skin and your nail. This is the reason I would recommend, if you just recently start losing hair, go for this because it's affordable and also definitely it helps. But if you lost already 30 or 40% of your hair, I think you need something much stronger. And FOLIGROWTH, they did clinically study this product for 16 years. This is made in California, FDA approved, and women and men both can use it. And this product has like 28 different vegetable food ingredients in it, and it has all kind of vitamin in it, A, B, C, D. Even the biotin also is in it too. And this has a gluten free, and this has a cruelty free, and like it's US made product. But like I said, this is expensive. It starts, but if you're really serious about your hair and you really wanted to do something, this product definitely for you. This FOLIGROWTH. And if you look at the pill, it's quite big, but if you're getting this, you have to take 2 in the morning. After breakfast, you have to take 2, and you have to take 1 in the evening. Like anytime in the evening you take 1, so you got to take 3, and it has a 90 of them. So if you're taking 3, that's good for like 30 days, right? So like yes, it is expensive, absolutely, but definitely you'll see a significant difference. But you have to understand something. Are you using too much chemical on your hair? That's very important. You cannot be using too much, like hairspray, if especially women, man, both, gel, or like you're using like some really harsh chemical shampoo or something like that. If you're using those things, is gonna nothing gonna work for you, because even you trying to fix your hair regrow, improve new hair, but those chemical, you're gonna lose more and more hair. Maybe that's the reason. And also fix your diet. I mean, like, eat on time, try to eat as much healthy as possible. And this is why you need supplement, because you're not getting all the nutrition and everything in your body you need every day. Sometimes we think that way, that hey, we're eating right and we're getting all the nutrition, but we are not. Most of the time we don't get it. So this is why it's really helpful to get this. But like I said, if you recently started losing hair, then see, my hair situation is not that bad, and over the year improved. That's why I'm using the biotin. I'm not using the FOLIGROWTH. But if your hair situation is really bad, maybe you could start with this, and when your hair improve, you recover most of your hair, then you just go with the biotin. Again, when you fully recover your hair, then you don't need to use anything. Just eat healthy, work out, take care of yourself, love yourself. You don't need anything. So the reason you need it right now, because right now you need the help, all the nutrition and everything. And again, if you go in my channel playlist, there's many good shampoos, like a baby shampoos, or there is some like natural ginger shampoos you'll find in my channel playlist, and definitely those gonna help you. So this way you're gonna use less chemical on your hair and everything. That definitely help. And the hair oil definitely help too. Maybe you just need a supplement and you just need a hair oil. So there is a Moroccan oil, Moroccan oil is expensive, but you could just go for coconut 100% pure oil. You're gonna find those videos in my channel playlist. Coconut oil 100% pure is cheap, and again I'll put the link in the description box, and you could check the detailed video for that. Or you could go for satwa oil. Satwa oil means like 7 different oil mix in it, and it made in India. By far the best Indian oil has to offer, and that's like a mid-range. It's not too expensive, but I always tell people go with something cheap, natural, and if it works for you, then you don't have to spend that big money and everything to get something better. And always, you go in my other money saving tips channel, you could check it out there. That some of the like great way you could save money in daily life, little thing we don't even realize that we spend money on, that you could save. You could pay a lot of other bills with it, and pay a lot of things you could do. Also, if you're really serious about your hair, get a derma roller. Derma roller is really helpful. Like so many people has a positive result with the derma roller. Man and women both can use it. It doesn't say anywhere that only man can use. Women also could use this derma roller, and there's no chemical involved, nothing in it. You just use it 10 minutes. So all the time people say 10 minutes is too much, too hard to do it. Do it 5 minutes, then do it 6 minutes, 7 minutes. Just you're gonna get used to it. Why? Because maybe you're doing all the nutrition and everything, but your blood flow on your skull is not enough. Blood flow is very important. So this one is 0.5. I said that in many times before. 0.5. I'll put the link in description box so you get the right one. It doesn't matter what color is this. It doesn't matter. This is the main thing. 0.5. This is the one you get, or 1.0. Either one would do fine. And do it 10 minutes. You'll see a significant difference. The blood flow is going to make a significant difference. So you just get a FOLIGROWTH natural supplement, or you could get a biotin natural supplement, and then just use a derma roller. So this way you make sure that you're getting all the healthy thing you need for your hair. So hope this video is helpful to you. Please hit the like button. This way more people could see this video, and definitely check out my new channel. And I'm sure if you think that channel is worth it, and much more videos I'm going to put on that channel. So if you think that channel is worth it, consider subscribing. Thank you so much.